How the loan works. So there are two forms of it. If you're taking a loan amount of less than 10K or somewhere between 10 to 25,000, not quite 25,000, 24. The loan term would be 10 years, interest only at 6% rate. You could pull out your calculator and calculate that number based upon whatever it is. That number, I can tell you, is cheaper than hard money by a country mile. From what I've seen, the closing cost, there's no origination fee. There's no heavy fee structure on this. So the cost of the money is extremely cheap from the research that I've done. The closing costs outside of your standard typical closing costs, there really aren't any. There's just a couple of junk fees, but they're in the hundreds of dollars, right? So this is going to give you the cheapest money possible to rehab property. This loan starts to forgive at 20% annually, which means the entire debt would be forgiven over a 5-year period. And that begins after year 6. So by year 11, this is what would happen. You would buy a property. You would maybe take out a construction loan, hard money loan to purchase the property. And then let's say it was cosmetic. It only needed 25K, or let's do a DSCR. You find a property is cosmetic. You're going to buy it for 100K. It just needs 20K. Put in new kitchen cabinets, upgrade the HVAC, touch up the masonry, just some big picture things. So you get one of these loans at 6%. It's only going to add an extra $100 a month to your payment, $100, $200 a month to your monthly payment. You get a DSCR loan for the rest. You hang on to this property for 11 years, 25K equity stacked into your profit margin, stacked into your pocket. It's essentially like they're just giving you the money. They're just giving it to you, all forgiven by year 11. That's an incredible deal. That deal doesn't really exist. I would say 95% of market. And that's just 25K, but you can go up to 100K.